I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the guided access feature to lock your iPhone's use to one single app.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So your first step is to open your Settings app and scroll down to select Accessibility. We'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and then select Guided Access and make sure this is toggled to On. Now you can put passcode settings in here to select a passcode for this to be locked to, or you can enable Face ID so that the guided access is only disabled from Face ID. I'm going to leave it as Face ID. When you're ready to enable guided access on an app, just like YouTube, you're going to triple click the lock button. But first, you're going to want to make sure that you disable Apple Pay, because on a double click, you're going to pull up the Apple Pay feature. And we will triple click, and now guided access comes up. So we'll click the Start button here, and this is just the passcode for my phone. We'll do that again, and there you go. Triple click the side button to exit. So we're locked in here. I can't go to the home screen at all, and I want to end, so I'm going to click the side here. It didn't show you, but it used my Face ID to end the guided access. Now I can go back to the home screen and any other app.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.